Hi Kings Park Choir, it's Mrs. Boucher here. Yesterday I got a message from someone in my class who's also in the choir who asked if I could do some choir videos for you all. I thought this was a really good idea, so I'm going to start with the cup song. I will put on this video the one that helps us learn in choir, then you can do it along with me slowly, and then you can see if you can do it along to the song at regular speed. Good luck, and I hope you have fun.
Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you the easiest way to learn the cup game that goes along with the cup song. I learned this game a long time ago at camp, and when we learned it, we learned not just the rhythm, but the name of what we were doing that went along with the movement, and it makes it easier to remember when you're doing the song. So we're going to start out really slow, and I'm going to explain as we go, and then we're going to pick it up and make it faster. So you start clap, clap, and then you're going to hit the table with the syllables of table. Table, table, clap again, and then you're going to pick the cup straight up and set it down. You're going to clap again, clap, then sweep the cup upside down, sweep, hit the top, hit the table, grab the bottom, put your hand down, put the cup down. Now, if you're playing with other people, when you put the cup down is when you slide the cup over to the next person and grab your new cup. But since we're just doing it by ourselves today, you can keep the cup in place. So here's what it sounds like with the words. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. You can make it a little faster once you have it memorized. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, hand, down. And then once you get that and you have it memorized, you can take the words away and just do the rhythm. And once you get it, you can add it to the music that goes with it, grab a bunch of cups, grab your friends, and have fun.
So I couldn't find a cup, so I'm using a flour shaker. Anything that's a cylinder in shape will work for you. Okay, clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, up, down. That bit always trips me up. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, up, down. Clap, clap, table, table, clap, up, down. Clap, sweep, top, table, bottom, up, down. Once you've kind of got it, you can start singing. I've got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere, oh. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Yay!
I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere, oh. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk, oh. You're gonna miss me when I'm gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Bonus challenge, can you do it as quickly as the guys on the video? I cannot, based on the 3 previous attempts, but I'm going to try again. This is the last one. If it goes wrong, you get to laugh at me.
I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. I'm leaving tomorrow, what you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
I've got my ticket for the long way round, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got
got quite far. How hard did you
Sure
go?
will be
Very good.
prettier with you when I'm gone.
When I'm gone.
When I'm gone.
When I'm gone.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. Miss me by my
Miss me
walk.
by my talk.
Miss me by my.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
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 You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
When I'm gone.
Gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
You're gonna miss me by my walk.
Miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.